Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful, latest, most lovely and attractive crochet sunflower pattern, and here are some most beautiful and latest crochet flower pattern ideas for this channel. Beautiful and latest reviews and different crochet sunflower style with rose and white rose, red rose and white rose, like different style flowers look with sunflower bouquet combination ideas. So I hope you like it as a gifting anniversary and party, easy, the beautiful and latest as a gift style way review. Crocheting a sunflower is a lovely project. Here are simplified step-by-step guide and materials you will need. Crochet hook size depends on yarn choice and yarn in your distressed row, sunflower color yarn needles, and different beautiful ideas. So green yarn and 4 leaves optional. So I hope you like it. And bouquet, creating a crochet bouquet can be a beautiful and creative project. You can crochet various flowers and arrange them into a bouquet. And here are a general guide material you will need. The latest beautiful ideas. So I hope most latest and beautiful ideas you like it. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, and press the bell icon. Keep sharing and watching my video, and crochet a variety of flowers using different pattern and colors. You can use the sunflower pattern and different ideas. Feel free to get creative with your bouquet by editing different types of flowers and arranging them in a way that looks appealing to you, and it's a wonderful way to showcase your crochet skills and create